Hello and welcome to Instant History. Today we're diving into New Zealand history and its decision not to join Australia in Federation. Now, let's travel back to the mid-19th century, a time when Australia wasn't a single colony, but rather a collection of 6, including New Zealand. As the British considered these colonies part of an A colony collectively, and discussions about federation began. The idea of federating the colonies gained momentum, especially as Germany showed interest in the region, making the colonies nervous about their security. However, New South Wales changing its stance on federation triggered concerns of being left out, so pushed forward the proposal for a united and secure Australia. However, New Zealand faced many challenges. The most significant, it's the distance between New Zealand and Australia, equivalent to the distance between Britain and Morocco, made integration a complex issue. Secondly, the drafting of federation documents was primarily done by Australians, leaving New Zealand and Fiji with little opportunity to contribute to discussions. New Zealanders wanted equality, fearing they would merely be added to Australia rather than being foundational members. The lack of consideration for New Zealand's distinct history, particularly with the Maori people, led to a reluctance to join the Federation. The Treaty of Waitangi, a crucial agreement between the Maori and European settlers, was at risk of violation under the proposed federation. New Zealand demanded amendments to the constitution to ensure the equal treatment of its indigenous people, and Australia agreed. Despite this concession, concerns persisted, especially regarding the influx of Chinese and Asian workers in Australia. New Zealand leaders had a wary attitude against these workers that were heading in their country, leading to a decision to sit out the federation in 1901. Interestingly, there's still a clause in the Australian Constitution allowing New Zealand to join whenever it chooses, leaving the door open for future possibilities. That's the fascinating story of why New Zealand isn't a part of Australia. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.